Comptroller and Auditor General report has flagged major gaps in West Bengal's COVID health infrastructure, revealing that more than half of the oxygen plants installed under the PM CARES Fund and CSR initiatives were either non-functional or never commissioned. The report, tabled in the West Bengal Assembly on July 24th, said that out of 75 PSA oxygen generation plants, only 32 were functional as of December 2023. The remaining 43 plants were either yet to be commissioned or were lying non-functional. Among the 46 oxygen plants funded through PM CARES, only 23 were operational. Of the 29 CSR funded plants, only 9 were working. The audit also found that ventilators and oxygen concentrators supplied during the COVID pandemic were lying unused in government hospitals. At SSKM Medical College and Hospital, 5 PM CARES funded ventilators were lying unused due to a shortage of consumables, while 3 more remained packed in the hospital store. At Raiganj Medical College and Hospital, 17 ICU ventilators received under PM CARES were non-functional because the high dependency unit was not operational. The audit also found 5 oxygen concentrators lying unused in storage. The CHE also flagged poor utilization of COVID-related funds. It said 659.28 crore rupees or 65% of the money released under the Emergency COVID Response Package 2 remained unspent as of March 2022. In addition, 462.05 crore rupees released as state COVID untied funds also remained unutilized. Responding to the audit, the West Bengal Medical Services Corporation Limited said the installation of oxygen plants was the responsibility of the union government and CSR agencies. It added that tenders had been invited to make the remaining plants operational. However, the CAG noted that there was no assurance on when the remaining oxygen plants would become functional.